Stay tuned to see how I created this Valentine's Day plaque. So I went to the Dollar Tree and saw all of this really cute Valentine's Day decor and decided to create something for Valentine's Day that was a little different than the norm. And I had printed out this saying using my Cricut because I've been testing it out lately. So we're going to just put this together. So I'm laying out all of my table scatter as well as my felt roses and simply gluing them on in a pattern that I see fit, alternating between the small white and pink roses and just adding on some of the table scatter using the red hearts. Then I am going to weed out my saying, and this part was the most tedious because you want to be very careful so that you don't remove any of the vinyl that you're going to be needing for your saying. And so you just want to take your time. If you haven't weeded before, like I have not, it might take you a little bit longer. And I just took it step by step using my little weeding tool, and you'll continue until you remove all of the pieces that you do not want. And then I just went ahead and using my scraper separated the saying and applied it to our little plaque. And here is the finished Valentine's Day board. It says love who you are. I really love this and how it came out because I am all about self-love, and during Valentine's Day I know everybody focuses on the relationship love and things like that, but you also want to remember to show yourself a little bit of TLC this Valentine's Day because you completely and wholeheartedly deserve it. Let me know what you think of this DIY. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I had so much fun making this, and this completely is up to you and personal preference how you decide to decorate your Valentine's Day plaque. And of course, you can always create this as a gift for someone else if you so choose. Just make sure that you take a little time out for yourself for this Valentine's Day. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you have a great day and always keep creating. Love you guys. Bye.